Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a private channel on Slack. Now, you might want to have a private channel because of many reasons. You might not want some specific channels to be accessed by everybody in the workspace. So to do that, you need a private channel. So to do that, just go to your slack.com or just open the Slack app. Then just log in. After logging in, you need to select your workspace in which you want to create a private account. I'm just going to open this one. And after that, you'll be moved to your workspace. And from here, on the left-hand side, you'll see all the channels available over here. Now, click on the three dot icon, which is the More Action button, and you'll see Create. Just create a channel. From here, give it a name. Let's call it ABCD channel for now. And just wait for it to see the name. And there you go. Just click on Next. And from here, make sure it's not public. Make sure it's private. And only specific people can see it. Can only be viewed or joined by invitation. Just click on Create Next. Then you can add people to this specific channel, or you can just skip it for now. There you go. Your private channel has been created and it has a locked icon next to it. Now to add people to it, what you have to do is just click on the Members, View All Members button. And from here, you can select Add People. And you can add people to ABCD. Just search for their name or email, those who are in the workspace, and click on Add. They will be able to see this channel then. And that's basically it. And that is how to add a private channel in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.